Hi, welcome to the InfoComm in Florida today, and this is a booth of VTRON. Anyway, my name is Tim. I'm the Senior Business Development Manager for VTRON. Now, what we have here today is quite interesting stuff. We're going to be on display. We have multiple displays, different type of displays. We have DLP displays, LED and LCD. And also controlling them, we have all those controllers that we have, different types of models that can support up to 4K display sources. And we also have the new type of video wall displays that's really shallow and depth. We'll be showing you some demo on that. On top of that, we also have a collaboration tool called VIS. Very much interesting, but I'll show you more on the demo later. Now what we have here is actually our 60-inch front access cubes, which really has a really shallow depth of 400 millimeters. Now what I'm going to show you is a demo of how we're going to lift up for front access. So my engineer Simon and Samson will show you how they're going to lift it up. Guys, please. So maintenance-wise is from the front. So if you really have lack of space at the back for command centers, we can use the front access cubes. You don't even have to turn it off, lift it, change the parts, any of parts, it'll be done easily. Now what I'm going to show you here is our Digicom ARC 3000 controller. This is one of the hardware-based controller that we have, which has the real information exchange technology that we built in it with high processing. Now you can see all the input and output cards are really placed here. I'm going to get Tony, my engineer, is going to do what he's going to do is going to hot unplug this, and then we'll see that the pictures will stall. Immediately we'll do a restart. After Tony has unplugged the output board, what happens now is it takes 30 seconds to restart, and then we get the display back. Alright, so you need time for the display to come back. So what you need to do is you do not have to turn off the displays, you do not have to turn off the controller. You just do a hot swappable, and this thing will come up right immediately on the display. There you go. What we have right here is actually our LED tile display. It's a 1.92 millimeter pixel pitch. It's black SMD LED. And what we have here is actually made up of 3x5 cabinets. So we have actually 15 cabinets to make one large screen. Now, what we have here, our competitive advantage is we have redundancy, especially on the signal looping. So losing a signal or pulling out the HDMI cable at the back on the loop through, no problem. This will still work on. We also have the redundant power supply at the bottom, underneath of this video wall. So if there's any failure with the power supply, the other one will just back up. Now, what I'm going to show you a little bit of demo, because my engineer Samson is going to dim the brightness of this, and you can see the uniformity of the LED display wall. Thank you for watching, and really like to know more about products, please do drop by our booth at 4451. Thank you.